Victoria Azarenka is a Belarusian professional tennis player. On 31st July 1989, Azarenka was born in Minsk, Belarusian SSR, Soviet Union to Ella and Fyodor Azarenka in a middle-class family. She has an elder brother, Max. At age 15, Azarenka moved full-time to Scottsdale, Arizona, United States from Minsk, Belarus to train and live. In this, she was aided by National Hockey League Goalie Nikoli Khababulina and his wife, who is a friend of Azarenka's mother. In 2012, she became registered in Monaco, but in August 2013, she purchased a large ocean overlooking house as per principal residence, where she lives in Manhattan Beach, California. Azarenka dated American musician Redfoo between late 2012 and early 2014. Azarenka has spoken openly about her experience of depression during her injury-induced absence from professional tennis in 2014. In April 2018, Azarenka returned to the tour, competing in Europe in the Madrid Open, the Italian Open, and later the French Open. Azarenka has also been successful in doubles, winning 9 WTA doubles titles, reaching 4 Grand Slam finals in women's doubles, and reaching a career high ranking of number 7 in the world on 7 July 2008. She has also won 3 mixed doubles titles, 2 being Grand Slam titles at the 2007 US Open with compatriot Max Mirny, and the 2018 French Open with Bob Byron, and the third being the Olympic gold medal in mixed doubles at the 2012 London Olympics with Mirny. She finished with a year-end top 10 singles ranking for 5 consecutive years between 2009 and 2013. At Indian Wells 2021, two-time champ Victoria Azarenka outclasses Jelena Ostapenko to reach a first final of 2021. At the 2021 BNP Paribas Open, she went one step further than in Canada, reaching the semi-finals of the tournament for the 4th time in her career, defeating again Jessica Pegula. In the semi-final, she defeated Jelena Ostapenko to reach the final. Only 2 women have won more matches in Indian Wells overall. Lindsay Davenport 47 and Maria Sharapova 38. With 33 victories, Azarenka is in 3rd place on the list. She is also win away from becoming the first woman to win the Indian Wells title 3 times. Azarenka is a former world number 1 in singles, having claimed the top ranking for the first time on 30 January 2012. She was the year-end number 1 in 2012 and has held the top ranking for a combined total of 51 weeks. Azarenka has won 21 WTA singles titles, including 2 Grand Slam singles titles at the 2012 and 2013 Australian Open, becoming the first Belarusian player, male or female, to win a Grand Slam tournament singles title. Azarenka is also a 3-time major finalist at the US Open, finishing runner-up to Serena Williams in both 2012 and 2013 and to Naomi Osaka in 2020. At the 2021 BNP Paribas Open, she went one step further than in Canada, reaching the semi-finals of the tournament for the 4th time in her career, defeating against Jessica Pegula. In the semi-final, she defeated Jelena Ostapenko to reach the final. Only 2 women have won more matches in Indian Wells overall: Lindsay Davenport and Maria Sharapova. With 33 victories, Azarenka is in 3rd place on the list. She is also win away from becoming the first woman to win the Indian Wells title 3 times. The pair met 3 times in 2012, with Azarenka winning 2 of the matches. Bartoli's victory in the Miami quarterfinals was significant, though, as it snapped Azarenka's 26-match winning streak to start the season. Bartoli won in straight sets to record what was at the time her 3rd victory over reigning world number 1. In 2020, resurgent Azarenka recorded her first victory against Williams in a Grand Slam, winning in 3 sets in the US Open semi-final.